On a Hungarian situation now, yes, we will have a discussion on Hungary this week at the college. Among other things, we will discuss the new law, which, according to my understanding, is targeted on the Central European University. We have not finished the analysis yet, so I can only share with you my opinion that if the law is targeted on one institution exclusively, it lacks also the basic feature of the law, which is that the law must be general. But this is a rather legalistic approach. I can tell you that my fear in Hungary is that there are efforts to decrease the power and the influence of the civil society as such, and decrease the political pluralism, which is my opinion. We will discuss it at the next college. I think that it's good that the people are visible and vocal on what's happening about the Central European University. We have also the concerns regarding the judiciary in Hungary and its independence. As you see the figures in the Justice Scoreboard, there is not a reflection of something very damaging or showing some worrying trends, but these are the figures from the last year and the beginning of this year. Maybe now the figures could be different, but this is just my speculation. I am looking forward for the discussion on Hungary this week, because I think it's high time to discuss this. As I said before, on Hungary and civil society, I'm happy to see that the people there are courageous, open, vocal and visible. And this is what the Commission will always encourage the people to do. And I myself do not believe that any administrative steps or infringements or other measures taken by the European Commission in relation or against some member state will help a lot. There must be the people in the member state which feels the need to say something on the future development. Of course, we are looking at Poland and Hungary as the countries where the current government was started to operate and to govern in the country after the free elections. And I think it is Vĕra Jourová who wrote that sometimes the free elections result in non-liberal regimes. And Zakaria continues also that for him, free elections are not the only guarantee or safeguard for liberal development in the country. You know what he writes? He writes, it's the independent judge which must do the magic and this result. So that's why I am emphasizing how important the independent judiciary is in the member state. And this is what we see in Poland, where we see some structural reform or institutional reform ongoing. I don't have to speak a lot about the Constitutional Tribunal. That's why we act in relation to Poland. That's why we will have a discussion on Hungary, because we see very worrying trends in these countries.